Hi, I'm Kaden Moskowitz,
And I'm Zachary Goodman.
and
we
we're
are
here to tell you how climate change is causing global catastrophes. Climate change is the same as global warming. Climate change is when the Earth heats up because of the use of fossil fuels. Climate change is very dangerous because it results in temperature changes which causes extreme changes in weather.
If I said global warming is melting the North Pole and this is causing tornadoes to occur more often to a random person, they might ask, how does the North Pole melting affect the tornadoes? The answer is not simple. As the North Pole melts, it loosens its bond on the jet stream, so the jet stream can get away from the North Pole. A jet stream is a line of fast-moving cold air. The jet stream mixes with the warm, moist air coming from the Gulf of Mexico. Then, the jet stream air mixing with the Gulf air creates more violent contact than if the Gulf air mixes with the normal cold front. The greenhouse gases come into effect because the greenhouse gases help to melt the North Pole, which is kind of like a prison guard of the jet stream. As the jet stream's jail weakens, it can travel long and far from the north.
It's really simple. Heavy rainfall causes floods. What causes heavy rainfall, you ask? Well, the answer is global warming. As the Earth warms up, the air becomes warmer as well. Warmer air has a higher capacity for moisture. When the warm air with moisture meets cooler air, then tiny drops of water are created. Those tiny drops are not heavy enough to fall until the drop grows big enough and heavy enough to fall. Because of the Earth warming making more moisture, heavy rainfall will occur. Flooding and sea level rising are very similar. They are both caused by heavy rainfall. As the sea level rises, islands and coastal regions will cease to exist.
Hurricanes are very dangerous, and recent studies show that global temperature isn't the only thing that is rising because the intensity of the hurricanes, along with their general power, is increasing. Hurricane Sandy happened to form when the temperatures were 3 degrees Celsius warmer than usual. Also, everyone knows that warm air holds more moisture than cold air, and there was large amounts of precipitation during Hurricane Sandy.
Droughts have been becoming longer and more intense since 1970. These deadly water shortages are caused by climate change. Climate change warms up the Earth, and when the Earth heats up more, water evaporates from the ground, leaving behind less water for people to drink.
In conclusion, you now know the constellation between climate change and global catastrophes. You now also know that if we continue to burn fossil fuels and create greenhouse gases, these violent weather eruptions will increase in frequency and in magnitude. Thank you
Thank you
for
for
watching.
watching.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.